present continuous tense in mizo present continuous kan ti chuan thil ti lai mek kan soina ani a continuous kan ti chuan thil thleng mek ani a present kan ti chuan tun hun ti na ni hriat reng tur present continuous tense a kan hriat reng tur te chu is am le are te hi helping verb auxiliary verb kan ti bok kan man te an ni a am hi I nen chok man tur ani a is he le she le it nen man ani a are he we le they nen man ani vele ani helping verb emo auxiliary verb kan ti hein anga hei hi ing form of the verb kan ti amo present participle kan ti bokin azui vele thin ani ti chuan in affirmative sentence lo en ta ila thil ani zonga kan soina chuda chuan subject plus is or am or are plus v4 plus present participle plus object ani chuda chuan subject azirin is le am le are kha kan herem ve don ani a khoi ber hinge kan manang is nge am nge are ni chen kan soi ang khan is chu he le she le ita am chu aya are chu we le deya example apo I am doing my homework he is doing his homework she is doing her homework kan tia kan khatiang ang khan a in mil ka kan zong don zel ani ti chuan in interrogative sentence chu zona kan siam na alo ni a auxiliary verb kan ti am is le are te kha ama saber subject ma ada in zona kan siam thei ani antinan auxiliary verb te kha subject ma ta vekani am I going for the exam is he coming to school is she jumping over the fence is it crying for milk are they playing chess are we reciting rosary de ani ti chuan ta henga hian auxiliary verb te ka subject man veka ti chuan subject kha ing form of the verb emo present participle kan ti ho khanin azui ta thungani ti chuan in zona ani awangin question mark in an to pang ti chuan in adot le a chuan negative sentence lo enta ila negative sentence kan ti chuan lo ti zonga kan soi na ang chi kha ani a negative sentence a chuan not at lo tel angai ta ani I am not doing my homework he is not running for the president she is not eating an apple it is not crying for milk they are not taking pictures we are not going to smoke heng te hi han enta ila zona anilawa negative ani awangin not a omve thung angaya chuta chuanin subject in azuyanga subject ama saberanga azui tu chu auxiliary verb ani ti chuan auxiliary verb zo a khan not a omang negative sentence ani chuan ti chuanin not chu ing form of the verb kan ti present participle kan ti boka khanin azui vele anga ti chuan predicate abak song khanin azui ve don ti na ani ti chuanin adot le a chuanin negative interrogative lo enta ila negative interrogative a chuan negative ani wangin not atelanga interrogative chu zona ani a chu wangin question mark in ato panga am amo is mor kan ti akha ama saber sentence a omvele thungang ti chuanin am I not doing my homework is he not running for the president is she not eating an apple is it not crying for milk are we not dancing are they not watching the football match ti aloni anga ti chuan question mark ten anzui don ani ti chuanin het hi zona ani angkhanin am le is le are te kha sentence masabera khan a omanga ti chuanin subject in azuyanga ti chuanin present participle amo ing form of the verb kan ti v4 kan ti bok thina kha khan azui don ani thank you